In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Sony Soundbar. Now, it really depends on which model you have, but typically I'll show you 3 different ways and you can try them. It takes just a few seconds. So first of all, make sure the soundbar is actually turned on and you're seeing something appearing on the screen. Once the soundbar is turned on, you're going to go on the top, you're going to see these buttons. Almost all Sony soundbars have the same buttons. They may look different, but they are in the same order, and yeah, they're over there. There are 5 of them. For this particular model, what I need to do is to press the power button at the same time as the volume down button for 5 seconds. And if I look at the screen over here, I will see reset appearing. Then once you see reset, lift your finger from these buttons. Now, different Sony models have different ways on how to reset them. Some other models, you need to press the power button, the button right beside it, and volume up. All these 3 buttons for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna see reset. If this still doesn't work, other models requires you to press the power button and the volume up button both at the same time to get the same result. So you need to try one of these 3 combinations and find the one that actually works for your Sony soundbar. I also read that some of them requires you to press volume up and volume down for 5 seconds. So again, you can try all of these in less than 2 minutes. Let me show you on mine. So I'll press power and volume down. And I take a look at the screen. Here we go. Once you see reset, you can lift your finger and you just have to wait around 15 seconds. We're not done yet, by the way, so just stick with me a few more seconds. Once you see this message disappearing from the screen, you're gonna see TV or something else. Okay, TV, you see? Now we have to disconnect this power bar, this sound bar from its power source. So simply pull the cable, even if it's turned on, don't worry. Wait around 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, reconnect the power cable in the back. Usually after you connect it back, the soundbar should power on by itself. Check the screen, it says hello here, please wait, blah, blah, blah. And this is about it. Your Sony soundbar should be finally factory resetted. And if you had trouble connecting it to its subwoofer, this should fix by itself, and many other problems. So please take a moment and comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, you may have to repress the power button here to turn it on.